Namaskar. Welcome to Dr. Rao's Temple of Learning. This is your YouTube channel, Spiritual Management Course. This is my ninth small independent discourse presented to you entitled as Positive Approach. Let me tell you that the energy is also characterized as positive energy or negative energy. So is our positive approach or negative approach that determines the physical, mental, and spiritual output. So, positive approach term becomes very useful. Yes, this is Dr. A.P. Rao, Vice President, Telecom Division, High Physics Laboratory India Private Limited, MIDC, Ranjangaon, Pune, Maharashtra. The understanding and suggestion through the spiritual management course states that do you understand the meaning of positive approach in spiritual management? When you contribute to spread positivity, even in the presence of many bad things in and around, is termed as your positive approach. And this way, through positive approach, you are known to be the follower of spiritual management approach. You must have heard about the neuro-linguistic programming, that is in short called NLP. The understanding and developing of NLP is important for observing spiritual management practices. This is a technology through which we sustainably achieve so many things. The study of human excellence is carried out to provide powerful and practical approach to obtain positive changes in a person in particular or the societal positive changes at large. That is the beauty of NLP. So in spiritual management we always say be positive. Positive approaches are about behavior changes through personal growth and mutual responsiveness. Positive attitudes include motivating those around you with a positive word. When someone says you good morning and in reply you ask what is good about this morning is not a positive approach. This simply indicates that this is your negativity of thoughts. Actually, positive approach is a state of mind that imagines and expects favorable results. Normally, we used to talk about the earlier time and the present time. While speaking in general, we say that earlier time was better, people were comparatively good, even with financial crunches, etc. etc. We also speak about the level of trust, faith, and cooperation between the two that has reduced nowadays. And every individual claims that he is not responsible for this degraded situation. Everyone says that he has compelled himself to become bad since wrong things have spread like anything in the society. But the spiritual management teaches us, even though with many things wrong around us, one must try to spread goodness. Let the others spread wrong, we must spread right. If badness has got multiplied and worsen the situation, spreading good can also be observed, and this will also work. There is a small story to understand how important is the spreading of goodness. Two little brothers sisters of age 5 to 6 have gone to small market after playing business board game where they have collected a few plastic paper currencies. Suddenly, elder brother saw his sister who stopped in front of a shop looking a beautiful doll. He asked elderly whether she wants it. We have some money won in the game. The shopkeeper was listening their conversation and impressed by the caring nature of the boy. What is the cost? Asked the boy. How much money you have? Asked the shopkeeper. The boy has removed all his plastic paper currency from the pocket with elderly proud and given it to shopkeeper. The shopkeeper took only 5 pieces of those plastic paper notes and returned the rest, saying it is more than sufficient, and given the doll to the girl. And both the kids went away. The servant of the shop, observing this, asked his master that why he has given such a costly doll against artificial currency notes to them, while otherwise he used to be very particular and strict about the cost of the goods. The shopkeeper smiled and replied, the boy does not differentiate between artificial and real money for now, but later definitely he will understand it. And at that time, he will recall this shopkeeper and feel that the world is full of good people. He will feel positively motivated to spread goodness that he has received in his childhood through me. What a great view of the shopkeeper was. So, spreading positivity is most important. A deaf child says, for all of you, I am deaf, but for me, all of you are dumb. This indicates that life differs in each perspective. Live the way you want to, and spiritual management approach suggests that spreading positivity is most important. If a few people start spreading goodness, it will be multiplied, and at some point of time it will be more than badness, and society will be flourished with positive energy and attitude. This is how the spiritual management course may help the industry, corporate executives to work for vertical growth of company with better interpersonal relationship by means of spreading positive approach not only in the company but in the society as well. And this is a must for any sort of development in the society. As a concluding remark, we may say that you are advised to contribute to spread positivity in and around you. Understanding and developing the NLP is important for observing spiritual management practices. The spiritual management teaches us, even though with many things wrong around us, one must try to spread goodness. Let others spread wrong, we must spread only good. And if a few people start spreading goodness, it will be multiplied and at some point of time it will be more than badness and society will be flourished with positive energy and attitudes. This is all for this discourse. Thank you very much. And I conclude this discourse with the shlok from Veda. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. It means, it appears you can take as much as you want from the nature and still you will be left with as much.